Can you rock with me? Let's rock with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking you love you, baby. Can you roll with me?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simon Alexis. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. This is going to be a video of me showing you how I do my overnight oats. As you can see, I use the Quaker old-fashioned oats. I take about a cup of this or 1/4 of a cup depending on what recipe I'm doing. This video is going to feature me teaching you how to do my blueberry almond overnight oats and my strawberry banana overnight oats. So I take about a 1/4 cup of those oats, and you want to make sure it's equal parts. So you're going to have 1/4 cup of the oats and 1/4 cup of vanilla almond milk, oat milk, whatever you like. I love to use anything with vanilla in it because what really carries the flavor for the oats is the milk. The milk, the honey, the fruit, whatever you want to use, because the oats by themselves have no flavor. I don't know if anybody knows that, but it's nasty. So I like to cut up my bananas in this like shape. It's like a slanted oval type of shape. It gives me like, I don't know, I think it's just the look of it. It looks very fancy. Ignore the peaches. I was trying to do I want to say like a peach cobbler type of overnight oats. The recipe didn't come out right, so I'm still gonna work on that, and then I'll give y'all a video on that. You're gonna cut your strawberries. I like to do it like this because it's easiest. So you just make slits and then cut the top off, and there you go. You have your strawberries slit easily without you having to keep picking up the knife, you know, like cutting it and sliding it over to the side. Now, this is how you add a little bit more sweetness. Of course, you add the honey. The almond milk is already going to give you some sweetness, but if you just want a little bit extra, you add the honey. What also helps the flavor a bit is the yogurt, and I love to put granola on there also. The oats aren't that bad, but I like flavors, so I'm gonna do it up, but not too much because I still want it to be a healthy breakfast. So this is me placing my bananas on there, on top of the yogurt. It depends on what type of yogurt you get, but it can help flavor it, make it sweet too. I love the combo of granola and the yogurt. So that's me just putting it together. These are the oats that I use. I mean the granola that I use, which is the honey bunches of oats, granola, and it's so good. And I just take a tablespoon of that and I just put it in the middle so that it can kind of get like, I'm not gonna say soggy, but it does get a little bit soggy depending on how close it is to the fruit and the yogurt, and it adds that taste. It just tastes so good. But yeah, the next one is gonna be the blueberry and almond one. So it's pretty much just a plate, vanilla yogurt, blueberries, and just put some sliced almonds on top, and that's pretty much it. So I'll let y'all go ahead and finish watching it. If you want me to type up a breakdown into the description bar, let me know. But thank you for tuning in, and I hope you like it. Share some recipes with me in the comment section. Bye. See y'all in my next video.
Come to me.